The 2008 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, airbags, power steering, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, cruise control, fog lamps, power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, heated driver's seat, trip computer, compass, leather seats, tachometer, heads-up display, rear wiper, heated passenger seat, tilt steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.